Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Sharma. Today we discuss about topic larynx. Larynx is an important part of the respiratory system, and other part of the respiratory systems are nasal cavity, nasopharynx, oropharynx, larynx, trachea, right and left principal bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. Today we discuss only about the larynx part. Larynx is also known as the voice box. The larynx is an organ for the production of voice. It also an air passage and acts as a sphincter at the inlet of the lower respiratory passage. The upper respiratory passage include nose, the nasopharynx, and the oropharynx. Where it is situated, the larynx lies in the anterior midline of the neck. The larynx is a short passageway that connects the laryngopharynx, that is root of the tongue, to the trachea. It lies in front of the C3 and C6 vertebrae. This is the anterior part of the larynx, which includes epiglottis and hyoid bone, superior horn of the thyroid cartilage, lateral thyroid ligament, superior thyroid notch, inferior thyroid notch, cricoid cartilage, and the left side it is present at greater horn of the hyoid bone, lesser horn of the hyoid bone, a thyroid membrane. This is a thyroid membrane, median thyroid ligament, oblique line, median cricothyroid ligament, inferior horn of thyroid cartilage, cricothyroid muscles, and the trachea. This is the anterior part of the larynx, and this is a posterior part of the larynx, which contains epiglottis, greater horn of thyroid, horn of hyoid bone, airy epiglottic fold, airy epiglottic muscles, cricoid cartilage, posterior cricoarytenoid muscles, lateral cricoarytenoid muscles, oblique arytenoid muscles, transverse arytenoid muscles, laryngeal vestibule, cricothyroid joint, and the trachea. This is the posterior view of the larynx. And then the measurement of the larynx. Length of the larynx is 44 mm in male and 36 mm in the female. At the puberty, male larynx grow rapidly and become larger than the female larynx. The pubertal growth of the female larynx is negligible. And this is a lateral view of the larynx. A lateral view, when we see the larynx in the lateral view, we see a hyoid bone, a tracheal cartilage, a thyroid membrane, median thyroid ligament, superior horn of thyroid cartilage, laryngeal prominence, oblique line, cricothyroid joint, cricoid cartilage. This is a lateral view of the larynx. Next is a constitution of the larynx. Larynx is made up of a skeleton framework of the cartilage. The cartilages are connected by joints, ligaments, and the membranes, and are moved by a number of muscles. The cavity of larynx is lined by mucous membrane. जो हमारी कैविटी होती है larynx की, वो लाइंड होती है mucous membrane से. Cartilage of the larynx or skeletal muscles of larynx are: the walls of the larynx is composed of 9 pieces of cartilage. जो हमारी जो walls होती है larynx की, वो composed होती है 9 pieces of the cartilage. 3 are unpaired and 3 are paired cartilage. The unpaired cartilage are thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, and epiglottic cartilage. Paired cartilage are arytenoid cartilage, corniculate cartilage, and cuneiform cartilage. First we discuss about the unpaired cartilage. First unpaired cartilage is thyroid cartilage or Adam apple. Thyroid cartilage is also known as the Adam apple. The thyroid cartilage consists of two fused plates of hyaline cartilage that form the anterior wall of the larynx and give it a triangular in shape. होता है ये. It is usually larger in males than the females. Due to influence of male sex hormone during puberty, it is larger than the females due to the puberty. The ligament that connect thyroid cartilage is to the thyroid bone is called as thyroid membrane. It is a V-shaped in the cross section. Second is cricoid cartilage. It is a ring in shape. Epiglottic cartilage. It is a leaf in shape. Next is about the pericartilage. The first pericartilage is arytenoid cartilage. Two small pyramid shape. The arytenoid cartilage are most important since they influence the position and tension of the vocal cord. Second is corniculate cartilage. These are the two small conical nodules. Coniform cartilage. These are the two small rod-shaped laryngeal joints are carythyroid joint and carotenoid joint. And then the artery supply. The artery supply in the larynx is superior and inferior laryngeal artery. Venous drainage is from superior and inferior laryngeal vein, and the lymphatic drainage is from the deep cervical nodes and the prelaryngeal nodes. And the applied aspect. Laryngitis. Laryngitis is an infection or inflammation of the larynx is called laryngitis. It is characterized by the hoarseness of the voice. जब हमारे में laryngitis होता है तो हमारी voice hoarseness जैसे हो जाती है, hoarseness of voice हो जाती है. And second is laryngeal edema. Laryngeal edema is the obstruction to the breathing. Larynx or glottis is a narrowest part of the respiratory passage. Foreign bodies are usually logged here. Laryngoscope is an instrument or equipment which is used for the examination of the larynx. This is all about the larynx cartilage or larynx part of the respiratory system. Thank you everyone.